Hello, it's the 2nd of March 2019 and we're back for yet another afternoon at our local park. This is Coastersaurus.
Hey, hey, find me no love.
Hello and welcome back to West Midland Safari Park. Yes, the season has started, the rides are open, so let's have a look and see what they've done over close season and get on some rides. Well, we've just popped down to the bottom end of the park to have a look at the pirate ship, because what we could see over close season was that it had disappeared. Well, it's still there. So the pirate ship isn't gone, it's still around, but all the supports have gone and the top half of the ship. So it looks like it's having a little bit of TLC, and hopefully we'll see that back open later on. Well, I think Peter has decided where he is starting his day. He's going to start it off on the Jungle Cat dodgems. You had fun there, Peter. You on the dodgems?
Yeah.
Who was driving?
No!
You were? Oh dear. You survived there?
It wasn't too bad actually. It's a bit like Daddy when he drives. No pain.
Good stuff.
Anyway, he almost made it go backwards.
Almost.
Oh yeah, he did. He got it so it was like you could feel it starting to go backwards, but then he crashed.
Oh. What's next, Peter?
Twister.
Well, back on Twister again. Always fun. Not the best ride this time. I think somebody needs to adjust the trim brakes on that. That was a bit aggressive. Not brilliant. But time for another coaster. So we're going to head on Rhino and see how that's riding. Really good ride on the Rhino there. That's flying. That's really running very well. It's also looking quite nice as well. It's had a repaint over the winter, so the Rhino's had a coat of paint and so have the supports. So yeah, that's looking good. still a lot of work going on at the park, but they do seem to have done quite a lot in the way of tidying things up and painting stuff and making it just look a little bit nicer. Now we're going to head on to one of our favourite flight rides here. We're going to get on the hurtling hippos. Kong running really well as well. Cracking cycle on that, nice and forceful. Good to get back on it.
It's a bit angry.
So would I if they'd just fallen out the top of my tank.
I saw him hanging down from up there and then he literally just sort of dropped down and the tail came down as well. He does look a bit annoyed, Rob.
Totally.
Some new kit. We've now got the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I thought I'd bring it down to Safari Park, just try vlogging on it and see how it goes. So just going to take you around Ice Age as we normally would. Now, as well as me having this new camera, Peter's very happy because it means that he's inherited my old action camera. So he's wandering along behind me, merrily filming away. So this is going to be interesting when it comes to actually doing any sort of editing.
It's going to be a long cut from him.
I know it is. It's going to be insane.
Yeah, he's just walking around with it.
Yeah. So this is going to be fun. come to our local park. We're here loads anyway, so if you've been watching our vlogs then you'll know the safari park quite well. And do what we normally do on a Saturday when we're bored and there's nothing to do, come down to the local park and have a walk around.
Yes, I also welcome
Peter's helping. Helping in inverted commas.
It's also so when you're on the other side and I'm on the other side, it can like be two pieces, so it's like you're doing both sides, but I'm doing one of these sides. But it's, yeah.
Okay. Tina's completely perplexed at the moment because we're both wandering around with cameras.
Well, I could have had the other one.
Yeah, I could get the other one out and we can have a three-way... That... Oh god, no.
Lots of editing that in there.
That would be horrific to edit.
Daddy,
Look at the dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs poo hole. Molly, here's your rock. Molly, it's your rock where you fell over.
Would you like to see something cool?
Always.
This is amazing. So this, if you go to most museums and stuff and they show you a dinosaur exhibit, they'll show you a fossil and you'll be like, cool, and they're like, this is 80 million years old. And it's like, that's cool. And because it's old, we put it behind glass. And it's all boring, it's rubbish. So what we've done is we've got this amazing fossil. Ours is cooler because it's 200 million years old and you can touch it. Wow. Do you want to touch it?
Yeah, let's touch it.
Can you guess what it is?
I have no idea.
So this is an amazing type of fossil called coprolite, aka dinosaur poo.
Nice!
It spent 200 million years drying out and it recently rained, so it's nice and fresh.
Fresh, yes. Lovely. Oh my god, dino poo.
You've touched poo.
I have touched poo today. It's not the first time.
No.
No.
Multiple poo.
Yes. The joys of children.
I'm waiting for you too.
Boo.
Seriously?
Ooh, burger place is open. Burgers.
Yeah. Which I've just been talking about.
He does a lot of talking. Not always to camera, but he does a lot of talking.
a very fun day, and I think you also enjoyed that video, and also make subscribe.
Thank you for joining us today. It's really good to get back on the rides at the Safari Park. That is all that we've got time for today. And so until next time, bye-bye. I hope you've enjoyed our video today. If you have, why not subscribe? Then you can be among the first to find out when we upload a new video. Also, if you head over to our Facebook page, you'll be able to find photos and more information of the stuff that we get to on our park visits. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.